In this lesson, we calculate the area of a triangle. For that, all we need is two sides and the angle between them. For example, in this triangle, we know the length of two sides, 12 and 11 centimeters, and the angle between them, 105 degrees. The area can be calculated using the formula a half of 12 times 11 times the sine of the angle 105, 63.8 centimeters squared. So what if they don't give us the angle between both sides? Well, not a problem. We can always use the sine rule to figure out the angle between them. How? Well, sine A over 12 equals sine 35 over 11. Solving for A, we obtain 38.7, and now we know that angles in a triangle add up to 180, so B must be 106.2. We substitute this angle B into the formula and we obtain 63.4, the area of our triangle. So what if they don't give us any angle at all? For example, let's say that we need to calculate the area of the triangle sides 12, 13, 15. We can figure out angle B using the cosine rule in reverse. Remember to minus the square of the opposite side, 15. B is about 73.6. We then replace this value into the formula for the area and voila, 74.8 centimeters squares. We are going to find the area of this quadrilateral. Our quadrilateral can be separated into two triangles to make calculating the area easier. We need to calculate length A and angles B and C before attempting to calculate each area. Length A can be found using cosine rule, angle B can be found using sine rule, and angle C is the angle that adds up to 180, so 45.4. Now that we have two sides and the angle between them, we calculate the area of each triangle and we add them up. Stop the video here if you need to verify that the total area is 9,870 square meters to three significant figures. Let's try a bit of a challenge. A triangle ABC has A equals 50, AB equals 7 centimeters and BC equals 6 centimeters. Find the area of the triangle given that it is smaller than 10 square centimeters. Using the sine rule, we find angle C, then angle B, and finally the area. But wait a minute, the area is bigger than 10. What you may not realize is that there is a second angle whose sine is 0.89371, 180 minus 63.3. The angle 116.7 has the same sine. We explain this in more detail in our course, Master Trigonometric Equations and Functions Step by Step. For now, trust me on that. B is 13.3 and the area is 4.83. The triangle looks a bit more like this. Take note of the area of the triangle and practice, practice, practice. Want more practice? Access full courses, quizzes, and worksheets in the link below. Happy learning!